Hey, pirate funling! You can't leave your fish here!
Run away!
Let's chase him! Come back here!
Uh-oh, Salty's catching up. Can't catch me!
Oh, I lost him. Oh well, let's get back to the tunnel. Wait, where's the fish gone? I have some fish in my truck. Let's see where it will go. Ah, it disappeared. What's that behind the tunnel? Let's follow it. It's a water hose coming from Gordon's truck.
And that's why the express coaches are the best.
Great!
Let's get back to the tunnel. What's inside? Ah, a monster!
I wouldn't go in there. There's a monster inside.
A monster? I don't believe you. You're just probably hiding the treasure inside.
Nope, there's a real monster inside.
Well, I'm going in. Ah, a shark!
Told you.
Why is there a shark in the tunnel?
It doesn't matter, but we need to get it out of the tunnel.
You're right. I have a plan. This rope should bring the shark out.
Oh dear, the shark ate the rope.
I have another plan. I'm going to push the shark. It's too heavy.
You need water to push the shark.
That's a great idea. This water truck should push the shark.
You got the shark out of the tunnel.
Why was the shark in the tunnel?
Well, it was a really stormy day, and a big wave carrying the shark crashed into the tunnel. I asked the pirate fundlings to help me get the shark out of the tunnel.
So, the pirate fundlings were being nice and trying to help. We need to thank them. Where did they go?
We helped the shark. Now let's go find some treasure.